The bounds of freedom. Striking a balance between law and individual rights. Everyone longs for freedom, but living in this society, absolute freedom seems to be just a fantasy. We live in a society governed by rules and laws, and from a broader perspective, everyone must abide by the laws and regulations of the country or region where they reside. Once you violate these rules, you can be certain that your freedom will be lost. No country or region can allow people to achieve their imagined sense of absolute freedom. All freedom must exist within the framework of the law or within the limits allowed by the law. This means that our freedom is relative, and it has boundaries. In other words, everyone lives under the constraints of laws and regulations, which is an inevitable form of control. While laws and regulations aim to protect citizens' rights and maintain social order, they also set boundaries for our actions. Understanding and respecting these limits is a crucial part of maintaining social stability and harmony. In this process, we should understand that laws are not just constraints but also tools that protect our rights. They ensure that we enjoy personal freedom while avoiding infringing on the rights of others. A mature society needs to find a balance between law and freedom, allowing individuals to exercise their rights while respecting the rights of others. At the same time, the continuous development of society demands that laws keep pace with the changing landscape, adapting to new challenges and opportunities. With the rapid advancement of technology, laws must address new issues such as online privacy and data protection. This adjustment requires extensive discussion and consultation between the public and legislators to ensure that laws reflect current societal values and moral standards. In our daily lives, we face various decisions related to freedom. We need to learn how to make balanced choices to ensure our actions align with moral and legal standards. In this process, education plays a key role, as it can enhance our understanding of laws and our respect for freedom. In our interactions with others, we must also respect their freedom. Learning to listen to others' opinions and respect their choices is not only courteous but also an acknowledgement of their rights. This openness and understanding can promote better social cooperation and communication. We should also recognize the value of relative freedom. While our actions may be subject to certain restrictions, this does not mean we lose our creativity and innovative ability. On the contrary, we can find new solutions and opportunities within the legal framework to drive social progress and development. A healthy society requires balancing individual freedom and legal constraints. Education plays a crucial role in achieving this balance. Through education, we can help more people understand the importance of laws and cultivate their respect and understanding of them. Education can also help people recognize their rights and responsibilities, creating a better living environment for themselves and others. In this process, we must also learn to discern the difference between freedom and excessive indulgence. Freedom is not acting on a whim but is based on respect and understanding of others. By improving our legal awareness and helping others better understand the importance of the law, we can ensure a more harmonious and stable society. In conclusion, freedom is one of humanity's aspirations, but it is not absolute, it is relative. We need to find a balance within the legal framework that allows everyone to enjoy freedom while also bearing the corresponding responsibilities. Through this process, we can create a better society and provide a more free and fair environment for ourselves and future generations. What are your thoughts on this matter?